TeeSpy is the wonderful tool or software that helps to identify and highlight the most selling designs of t-shirts. It also helps to distinguish the hottest selling t-shirts from the other designs of t-shirts that are less selling. The tool has the option of software scan that helps to start campaigns on various big t-shirt selling brands and websites. The major quality of the tool is that it can extract the data and then it can organize the data after extracting and pulling it to make easy data patterns and layout of the data. The other quality of the software is the ability of the tool to scan the trends of the most selling t-shirts design and brands. It organizes the data based on customer likes and dislikes to find out and to highlight the most selling and trending designs. This is software which enables you to locate the best-selling t-shirt designs on other t-shirt sites. What it does is scan active campaigns on these sites and then gather the necessary data in an organized way for your review. It can also browse through social media sites to determine the most popular current designs. There are a wide variety of research tools for both predictive research and spying on the competition. The major advantage of this tool is the ability to enter a competitive market t-shirt business with the ability to extract and organize competitive data and scan the trends which currently exist with the best-selling brands and designs. The good and the not so good. The good: 1. Easy to use. 2. Good tool to locate niches. 3. Able to filter results based on Facebook likes, price, etc. for free trial. 5. Money back guarantee. The not so good: 1. Monthly membership fee. 2. Steep learning curve to become proficient and profitable. Who is TeeSpy Pro For? Internet marketers interested in selling t-shirts online. Tools and training. A variety of research tools, campaigns, allows you to choose your designs by top selling, the highest engagement, or newest. You can then further filter your results by style, price, FB likes, dates, etc. Trends. This tool allows you to see what's trending on Twitter, Google, and BuzzFeed. Marketing. Here you can search Facebook ads that are in your niche using a Facebook ad search tool. You can also locate audiences who may have an interest in your designs by using the Facebook Interests tool, which will give you the size of the audience as well. Inspiration. This tool allows you to search Cafe Press, Zazzle, Pinterest, Screened, and Wanello for ideas related to your specific keywords and niche. The results can be sorted by likes, comments, or repins. Alerts. Based on social engagement or sales criteria, you can be alerted when shirts become available with your specific keywords. Niches. Using the Find Sub-Niches button, you can go deep within niches in order to come up with product ideas and other niches for your product.